What's up, everyone? So Rs4 MAF hose just came in. Cut off the butt of the old MAF hose to fit into there, to fit a little bit more airtight after I clamp it down. Threw it on there. I'm going to be using this file at this point to just kind of file down this edge right here so that this blue hose can fit over it pretty snug, still with that ridge on there a little bit, and then hose clamp that as well. This blue hose is going to be tapered up into this old lobster claw just a little bit, which will then be hose clamped to the little piece sticking out of the Y pipe. So that being said, I'm just going to go for it and get this thing down and then fit it up, and we'll see if it works, see how it goes. See ya. Alright, lads, I've run into yet another problem, kinda. That's gonna work. Got that all fitted up. I just gotta cut this a little bit. Throw it on there. Connect it. Or I guess you could just cap it off, maybe. I don't really know. And then this thingy is just a bit short. So I'm guessing that I'm gonna have to just change the MAF or the whole air system, however that needs to be done, and then once we get that on there, we should be in business. We'll see. But that's it for now.